Hey my cookies, I got your recipe request, so today I'm going to share my garlic mashed potatoes recipe. Let's cook. Here are my potatoes. I'm using russet, but I also use Yukon Gold. You can use red potatoes. Just keep in mind if you use red, you may need more. And try to cut them up into small pieces as close to the same size as possible. And then add them to your water. Use just enough water to cover them. Now I'm going to add some salt to the pot. You always want to salt your water. This step may seem a little weird, but I'm adding in some minced garlic. I don't like the overpowering taste of the garlic when you add it to the end of the cooking process, so I like to boil it with the potatoes. But that's optional. If you like more of a garlic taste, you can add it at the end. After cooking for 15 minutes, my potatoes were fork tender. We want to stop here. We don't want them to be mushy. So once they're fork tender, go ahead and drain the water off. Turn the heat off, but place the pot back on the stove and add the potatoes back in. This will help absorb that excess water from the potatoes. Now add in your butter and your softened cream cheese. Yes, cream cheese, just trust me. Now I'm adding in my onion and garlic powder. If you want to jack up the garlic flavor, you can add in minced garlic instead of the powder. Off camera, I added in the salt and the pepper, and now I'm using my 1958 potato masher to mash everything together. Then just take your spoon and stir it well. Oh, so good, y'all. You gotta try it. Now some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. At this point, you can add chives, but I'm adding in a little bit of freshly chopped rosemary. I love the flavor rosemary adds to potatoes. You gotta try it if you haven't. And just stir everything up. And we're done. And cookies, that's it for my garlic mashed potatoes. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And until next time, be blessed.